Today's video is full of awesome impacted toenail cleaning. I'm not going to talk your head off today, just good old relaxation and satisfaction of toenail cleaning, so stay tuned.
Well, those could be, how do they remove the gel?
So they use, I guess, the acetone,
Okay.
and they put it on like, it looks like paper towel or cotton, and then with foil attached to it, they wrap it around.
Okay. Take the gel polish off during the services, so. Yeah, you can get those lines for a couple of different reasons. They aren't raised. It could just be from, you know, something that's pressing on the nail. They're all in the same place, or it could be, you know, when you bend a piece of plastic and you get that white line in it.
Yeah.
So if your nail is starting to pinch in a little bit, it's making that right in the center because it's making it a really deep C curve. So adding some moisture back to your nail.
It hasn't been more than a month.
Oh, okay. Pretty recent.
Yes. And I just love the work that you do.
Thank you. Okay.
Or to the right.
And physics, yeah.
Oh, physics.
Yeah, when you get those dark spots, it's usually built up like this that's just stuck underneath there.
Okay.
If people don't check to make sure that those places are licensed,
Right.
because that's, the little walk-in places are the biggest abusers of not following the rules.
I see.
So you gotta make sure, and then hold them accountable. You know, if you're not getting a regular pedicure service, then, you know, find a different place to go.
Right.
It's like somebody making an appointment for a haircut and coming in and getting a bang trim, you know, and getting charged for the regular service. So, because I have a million other responsibilities with running the salon and stuff, but they're not. Channel 2, or you showed it to him?
I showed it to him, and he's like, "Oh, I wouldn't mind going to visit." He's so big, he's subconscious about his feet. Him and my boyfriend, and they're like, "Oh, I would go see her."
That's great.
Yeah. do you train other technicians to do it like you do it?
I do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you really need some help.
Yeah. My next class is in April in French Lick, Indiana,
Wow.
and then in July in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Yeah. Has anyone accidentally cut your hyponychium there? Because it's so high.
In the past, yes. She's come close to it.
You're like, whoop, 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 whoop.
Yes.
Whoop, whoop.
And it's just